Hi everyone, I'm looking into Oracle Enterprise Architecture. Oracle Enterprise Architecture helps Oracle to collaboratively work with customers in developing strategic roadmap and architecture solutions that enable business and IT to align. Oracle created a hybrid EA which was influenced by the Open Group Architecture framework known as TAGAF, Federal Enterprise Architecture known as FEA, and Gartner. The Oracle EA consists of 7 key elements. First element, business architecture. It aligns an organization operating model, strategy, and function with IT. It also creates a business case for IT transformation and provides a business-centric view of the enterprise from a functional perspective. Second element, application architecture. It focuses on strategy, service, process, logical, and physical components which are a consequence of the business architecture. Third element, information architecture. It describes all of the moving pieces and parts for managing information across the enterprise and the sharing of the right information to the right place at the right time, realizing the business objectives stated in the business architecture. Fourth element, technology architecture. It describes how the infrastructure underlying the business application and information architecture is organized. Fifth element, people, process, and tool. This area of the EA identifies the people, process, and tools used to define enterprise architecture and architecture solution. Sixth element, EA governance. It provides the structure and process for implementing an organization's business strategy and objective. An EA governance body is used to guide each project and ensure its alignment with the EA during IT transformation and solution implementation. Seventh element, EA repository. It provides information describing the current state of the architecture, library of reference architecture models and principles that describe the desired state of the architecture as per business objective. Second part of the assignment. Each of these 7 key elements of Oracle EA contains details of its business in many different formats such as information architecture domain, information capability model, business strategy map, principle map, data context diagram, data asset map, etc. The way the details are documented within each element does not have a standard format. Adding to this, some of the details like the capability model of the information architecture domain is highly complex. Hence, to comprehend the entire details of the Oracle EA, one has to be trained in it. In the high level, the information is too brief and the segregation is too little. For example, in the element of information architecture, all the content there are classified under information strategy and information asset. Therefore, there is a lack of detail in high level. Hence, this could be improved by incorporating Zuckman EA way of breaking up an element horizontally. In this case, it can be broken down into 6 categories such as data importance for the business, processes the business perform, location in which the business operate, organizations important to the business, event cycles significant to the business, and business goals and strategy. Having consistent way of breaking down each element horizontally by the concept of what, how, where, who, when, and why would give user a better picture of the architecture, and it is much easier to comprehend at a high level by most people without the need for special training. Third part of the assignment. TOGAF is useful in understanding the Oracle EA. The main reason is Oracle EA was developed as a hybrid enterprise architecture influenced by TOGAF, FEA, and Gartner. TOGAF has 4 architecture domains representing different perspectives, which are business architecture, data architecture, and technology architecture and application architecture. In the Oracle EA, these 4 are the primary core components, just that data architecture is known as information architecture in Oracle. Oracle has brought EA governance, EA repository, and people process tools to high-level architecture domain. Even in the architecture development process, They are highly similar. TOGAF has 9 development phases, which are simplified to 6 phases in Oracle. Some of these phases are copied identically from TOGAF, like architecture, vision, business architecture, business case, etc. In some area, 2 of TOGAF phases are combined into one phase in Oracle. Example, information system and technology architecture from TOGAF are combined into current state architecture in Oracle. The key difference is, in TOGAF development phase, every phase focuses back to the requirement and deliverable. In Oracle development phase, every phase focuses back on repository. The fundamental concept of Oracle EA is very similar to TOGAF. Hence, someone with TOGAF knowledge could understand the Oracle EA easily. Thank you.